Welcome back. In earlier video, I have made a function that give us a quotient and remainder, and that remainder is in integer format and quotient also is in integer format. And I have told that we will make a function that will give a remainder in a real format, decimal point format. Now I will add a function here. Before I add a function, I want to discuss a function that is in conversion operation, and that is called truncate function. And that truncate function will just suppose we have 23.96 a number, and truncate of 23.96 is equal to 23, and same as if the value is minus 23.96, then truncate of minus 23.96 equal to minus 23. So truncate is just just suppress the decimal point value and make the real value in integer value. Just suppressed decimal point. Okay. We can use that truncate function in our real to quotient and remainder function in real remainder. Okay, here first I will use that truncate function. That here I will give 23.96 here, and here I will make a MW 110. Okay, now I will download. See, it is just 23. You can get the 23 by just use the floor function. You can get 23, same as 23. See, it will give 23. So truncate and floor is same if the in value is positive real, but if your input is negative 23, and download again. So here you can see its value minus 24, it's not 23. So floor will convert real to integer just previous integer value. 23 previous integer value is minus 24. But if you use the truncate function, it will just suppress decimal point value. So it will give negative 23 value. Here it will get negative 23. So we will use the truncate function to get the real remainder. Okay, here I will add a function, real, okay, remainder in real. Okay, I also make it in SL language. Okay, here is our input dividend, and data type is real. Also our divisor data type is real, and our output is quotient quotient, data type is real, and okay, data type is integer. Okay, because the quotient value always be in integer in any format. Okay, if you make it in a remainder, so quotient will always be in integer. Okay, and remainder in real. Okay, now here I will take another tag. It's called temp quotient. That I will make a real. Okay, in first line I will just dividend by divisor and keep the quotient value in temp quotient. So here our output is temp quotient and equal to dividend okay, dividend divided by divisor. Okay, now I will make the real quotient as output of the block function. Okay, so how will get the quotient, real quotient in integer format from that temp quotient? I will use the trunc function. The trunc function in integer. Here in our trunc function input is our temp quotient. So that temp quotient value is in integer format as with a temp quotient is in real format that has a decimal point value. Just I will suppress that decimal point value by using trunc function. Okay, now I will make a function. I will give a equation that will give us a remainder in real. Okay, how? As we know that dividend is equal to quotient multiplication with divisor plus remainder. That is our equation. That equation already we know. So I want to find out that remainder function. So here I will write as a remainder equal to dividend minus quotient multiplication by divisor. Right? That is our equation. I will write that equation in here. So here a remainder is equal to, here dividend minus, here is real quotient, our quotient in integer value. This one is our quotient in integer value. So I will use that one, quotient in integer value multiplied by divisor. Okay, that all is our equation. That all is our equation for finding the remainder in real format. Okay, compile. Now I'll use that remainder in real function here. So here I will write it as a 3.3323 2 point or 1 point, sorry, like this 3. Here in that dB convert dB, I will write this as a quotient 2 in integer and remainder in real. Okay, here CNB quotient in quotient. Okay, this one, and CNB quotient in, sorry, remainder in real form. Okay, now I will download. Okay, see, it is quotient is in 22 and remainder in 8.62999. It's about 6.3. Okay, let's make the equation revert back. That will give dividend 23 33.23 or not. So here calculator, our quotient 2 multiplied by divisor 12.3 and plus 8.63 equal to 23.23. that is our dividend. So by this way you can find the remainder in a real format, or if you want to remainder in integer format, then you have to use the modulo function as before. Okay, thank you.